Okay, so hi everyone and welcome to our free weekly market outlook. I hope guys that you are following us and hope that you are watching all those free setups which I'm sharing with you, because there are many wonderful setups, and if you by only watching me and my analysis you will be able to make a nice money. Okay, so let me go first through all those analysis where I will show you the ideas which I have shared with you. So each ideas which are active, you will know how to trade them. And later on, when I will finish with those published idea, I will go through all the setups and show you the potential setups. Okay, so let's start. Let me start with the published idea. Here I have posted there the copper. Okay, so as you can see there, I have written in the name nicely, watch it to go lower than buy. Okay, so what does this mean? Let me just load the chart. Okay, take some time. Okay, so what the price did, it went just a little bit higher, make new high, tag that high. So what does this mean? The setup hasn't changed. Okay, so what we will do, we will be still waiting this to come all the way back to that previous bottom. Okay, so for you, what you will have to do, you have to watch for the sell setups all the way back to that bottom. Okay, so you can sell every single setup which you will have. Okay, so you can watch all the way down to the 15-minute chart or 1 hour setup, depends. Okay, so what you're comfortable on and what you know how to trade. Okay, because lower you go, the more skilled you will have to be. Okay, because lower time frame means that the setup can change really fast. Okay, so we're using the lower time frames to recognize where the pattern is about to change. Okay, so if you're not skilled enough, you can have some difficulties. Okay, so let's go. US oil. Okay, so it's been also a nice trade, as you can see. Okay, I have written there. Okay, if you want, you can start watching for short-term sell setups. Okay, so what does this mean? Short-term sell setup is that one, but later on, like you can see, from around 34, we will watch there for the price action, and then we'll go for a long. Okay, this will be a little bit longer term buy. So what the price did? Okay, if I will show you the price. Come on, it's not loading so fast. Okay, it went down. Okay, so great. So as you can see, it works like magic. So we forecasted that move really nicely. So if you were watching it, that this move, you will be able to took at least 2 setups. Okay, so two trades should be at least into the profit. Okay, so you see, our wave analysis works really perfect, and this is the only way to become a profitable trader and learn how to trade profitable. UK oil, so what do we have there also? The price was similar like US oil. Okay, it went lower, so if you are watching it, you will be able to trade it. Okay, so easy. Okay, so as you can see where I have posted the idea, you will just have to watch it closely and you will have to understand and know how you will trade my analysis. Okay, I know that you can make money from it, but if you do not know how to, you can simply join our trading academy, where we will teach you how to trade. Okay, it's not so easy, and yeah, this is why we are having the courses. We're having also every day a daily webinar where I show to my traders how to trade, where to get in, where to get out, what you'll have to be careful on, and so on. Okay, so we are forecasting every single move in the pattern. Okay, so when the pattern is in the making, we know where it's about to complete. Okay, so let's go. Let me show there the New Zealand cat. Okay, that one has a little bit changed. So if you were trading it, okay, you should be get out at least on the break-even trade, or you will be able to take profit on it. Okay, so as you can see, if you were watching for the buy setups, okay, it started pushing lower. Okay, so you have a chance to close it on break even. Okay, so if you still have the buy order, I do recommend it, close it right now on the break even. Okay, the picture it's not clear, and this can just get for the bigger correction, then we'll see a buy. So what we can see, that one more wave to the downside, and then we can anticipate a wave to the upside. So if you're still holding the buy, take it off. Okay, take it off, cut it off on break even. In case if you are buying somewhere there, okay, you should close it right now. Okay, so New Zealand cat will not be tradable until we will see what this part is about to do. Okay, so you have to recognize what this will do and what kind of pattern will appear over there. Okay, so natural gas, that was a nice and wonderful trade. Okay, so say the price will gradually break down. So if, as you can see, the correction has just get bigger. Okay, as you can see, it just get bigger and then boom, it went down. Okay, so there was the nice sell setup. Okay, and for those who would like, can also sell on breakout entry. Okay, so you did also a nice job, so you are in profit. Okay, so what you will do now, watch this. If this will gradually break down, you can sell. Okay, but that trade you will not hold. Okay, you will take 1 to 1 and you will get out with a profit. Okay, you will not try to hold it because you are risking too much. Okay, or simply wait for the buy setup. I will show you later on the bigger picture so you will know what we are anticipating there on natural gas. Okay, your USD, what do we have there? The price was at the top. There was a many sell setups. Okay, so guys, if you're already into the sell, protect yourself, put it on break even, and watch it go down. Okay, so easy. Okay, so it's still active, your USD. Bitcoin USD, I do recommend you watch it closely. Okay, that could be a nice trade all the way back to the top. Okay, so you can watch it closely. You can find really nice buy setup. It's not ready yet right now, okay, but during this week, I think that there it will be a really nice move and really nice setups all the way back to those highs, okay? Probably it will not be only 1 week. That could take up to 1 or 2 months, okay? So we don't know exactly how long, but when it will start to push, you definitely wanna grab those buy setups, okay? You don't wanna miss the opportunity. Okay, especially if you're watching only cryptos. Okay, so Bitcoin USD is forming and preparing for a nice wave to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye there on your buy setups. XAG USD, okay, silver. So what do we have there? The price has started to push higher. Okay, so if you took those buys, great. Okay, if you took off your profit, this is also great. Now if you are still holding the buy setups, take them off. Okay, so close every buy that you have, book your profit. Why? Because I'm seeing this can turn for one more down. Okay, so this could be the structurally little bit extended correction. Okay, so as you can see, there is the structure in the middle, and this thing can go all the way back, make new low, and then we'll start buying. Okay, so keep an eye there for that sell. If you will not catch, and if there will be no sell setup, don't worry, guys. Okay, you should not worry because this will still go to the upside. Okay, and wave to the upside is the wave which you will have to catch. Okay, don't be afraid and don't be scared. Just watch it. Okay. You can also put an enter order there. You'll see. Okay, if this will be aggressive, just close it. Okay, otherwise just put an enter order and you'll see how far we'll go. Okay, at least, and then if it will this be if this will be a bad trade, you can close it on break even. So yeah, but you'll have to. You need a knowledge to be able to close that on break even. Okay, maybe when I'm showing you the chart, it looks really easy, but when you want to trade alone, it will get complicated. Okay, so this is why I'm holding every day a daily webinar with my clients or my traders. Okay, because I want to see them succeed and I want to see them make profit. Okay, so USD Chief, what do we have there? What the price did? It just extends itself. It goes into the bigger correction. Okay, so let the chart load and I will show you. As you can see, the chart has just get into the bigger correction. We anticipated this. It will start to push high. It didn't. Okay, and then we recognize by that we know that we will have a bit bigger correction. It goes for the bigger correction. Now you can watch for the buy. Okay, so you can watch and take every single buy stop. Be careful around the previous stop because it can reverse. So why it can reverse? Because there it could be become a flat and it can go up. Sorry, it can become a flat and it can reverse for one more shot down, then it will go up. Okay, so be careful. You can watch there these parts to push for one more up, but like I said, be careful around the previous stop. It could reverse. So don't buy around the previous stop. You should get in earlier. Okay? So watch it. It could be a nice trade for the upcoming week. So USD Chief could pays off really nicely. I think that I have also updated the idea many times. Yeah, as you can see, I have updated you there from the bottom. So if you catch it, that's great. Okay, so you're doing well. Okay, you are into the profit. Your Aussie, okay, it still has to go down. Okay, as you can see there, it has started to push lower. So come on. That's loading really long. Okay, as you can see, it's going into our direction. So you see, like we have a crystal bar there, okay? So it is pushing lower. Okay, that's wonderful chart. As you can see that I've been updating there, but then it started to struggle. And in case if you took the sell there, okay, you should end up with a break even. You have there the many chances to close that trade on break even. Okay, so let's say you took the trade there. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 times opportunity to close that trade on break even. So you should not hold the trades which are not going into your direction. Okay, so when you open the trade, you want that the chart and the trade will go fast. Okay, we want a fast movements. We want a strong movements, and yeah, we want to get money really fast. Pound Aussie, watch for sell. Okay, if you were watching it for sell, it did really nicely also. Okay, so let it load. Okay, as you can see, it went really nicely. Okay, there was the many sell setups. If you take it, great, you're doing well. If you're still holding the sell setups, be careful when it will break that bottom. Okay, you want to see that price will be aggressive, then you will hold it. If the price will not be aggressive, cut it off. Okay, cut it when it will push lower. Okay, take off your profit. Be happy with your profit. Okay, so you should make at least 2%. What do we have there? Platinum. Platinum is also struggling there. So let me just. Okay, so it was there and tried to push low. It didn't. It went up for the new low. If you buy there, great. Okay, so I think that yeah, I have updated the chart there. It went up. Okay, so and based on that, you see that it's not going anywhere. Okay, so what the price is doing right now? Okay, as you can see that it will go for one more down, and then you can watch for the buy. Okay, so can I take the sales up? Possible, you can take it, but I'm not interested. Okay, I'm never focusing on the small moves. I only want the big moves. Okay, the big moves are the money making moves, and the big moves will make me a money. The gold, let's see, what do we have on the gold there? It went up really nicely. Okay, so if you've been trading it, you should make money. Okay, so if you were watching there, you should close that on break even and you are into the trades again. Okay, from there and so on. If you would like to get in once again, let it do whatever it wants to do. Okay, there probably there it will be the bigger correction. Okay, that's gonna go and extend itself. Okay, it will probably go for one more low and then it will go higher. Okay, so we wanna see the bigger correction before this will fly to the upside. Okay, so nicely. Let's go. Aussie New Zealand. Oh my god, trading queue is loading really slowly. Okay, so what do we have there? It went up and yeah, nicely. Okay, so if you catch there the buy setup, there was the many buy setup, sorry, on lower time frame. So if you catch it, great, you did a nice profit there. Okay, so close to my arrow, you should be taking off a profit or at least there. Okay, this is where you will have to close all your buys. So you're doing really well. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Let me now move on the chart. Let me go now step by step. I will go with the DX5. So this is the first which I will show you, and then I will go first dollar pairs and so on. Okay, so what can we have there on DXY? So as you can see that the chart is struggling there. Okay, so what can we see there? We can see there the bigger correction and all the way back to the trend line. So what does this mean? We are anticipating that the DXY will extend itself and push all the way back to the trend line, okay, at least there, because we'll see there the bigger correction, okay, so there it will be the bigger correction which will push all the way back to that trend line, okay, so let me just delete this, okay, so we will watching that in our daily webinars with my clients, okay, so as you can see, the chart didn't go anywhere, so if you are in any case into the buy there, close it, okay, it's not moving anywhere. So what we can see over there, we can see there the bigger correction before we will continue to the upside. So be careful, watch that, and yeah, watch for this move, okay, only buy setups, you can watch only for the buy setup. So that means the euro USD for the down, pound USD for the down, Aussie USD for the down, USD chief for the up, USD yen for the up, New Zealand USD for the down, and USD cat for the up. Okay, so I go really fast, so let me just show you step by step, so I know that you can just get confused. Okay, sometimes I'm a bit too fast. Okay, so as you can see there, here USD, I think this will go and really break that bottom, then we can see the change. Okay, but from the spot where it is right now, I don't think that this will totally reverse. Okay, this can just get bigger. Okay, the correction can just get bigger, but it will break down. Okay, so you can watch for the strong break to the downside. You will be careful when the price will break the previous bottom. Okay, so yes, if the XY will go really nice to the upside, you will see a nice wave to the downside. So yeah, why not? Take that opportunity, take that sell, you will see how far that will go, okay? But let first correction to appear, okay? To complete, sorry. Let the correction to complete and watch for your sell setups. Similar there, okay? Pound USD. We are already into the sell setups. Okay, we already triggered some sell setups. And yeah, it was nice move. I think, yeah, that pound USD is also sent in our signal service group. Okay, so those who are following us or those who are in our paid group with signal services, they should be into that sell already. Okay, so they are doing great, and yeah, we will watch it. Okay, just follow the updates in Telegram group and you will know when you can take off your profit. I will update you with everything. So the others, what you will do, okay, for those who are not with us or those who are not in our academy, what you will do, watch this. Okay, so watch there, there's really important point because you are close to the previous bottom. Okay, we want to see the aggressive move to the downside. So at the moment where it is right now, you cannot do anything. Okay, you can just patiently wait, because this could just push down. Okay, so now in the upcoming days it will be really important moment. You will have to recognize the patterns, what they will try to tell you. Okay, so watch it there on 1 hour or 15 minutes. It will tell you if this will push all the way back to that bottom. Okay, so it will be worth of missing it. So keep an eye there on the sell setups. There is no sell setup at the moment. Okay, as you can see that there is nothing. Okay, so you cannot trade it right now. So you have to wait at least to give you the correction, then take the trade. Okay, if this will aggressively start breaking the downside, great, you have a nice trade. Otherwise, skip it. Okay, if there will be no setup, do not jump into the trade. Okay, so guys, when the chart will not give you the opportunity to get in, don't be aggressive, and yeah, don't go against the chart. So let's go Aussie USD. That one, it's quite difficult. It is at the moment struggling there in the correction. The correction can just get bigger, and yeah, be careful with Aussie USD. Okay, this is the only pair which you have to be careful, and USDN. Okay, so that one can struggle, go for one more up and then down. Okay, so be careful. This correction can just get bigger. It can stay for the sideways for quite a long. It will go break that top, all those top, and then it will reverse to the downside. Okay, so this will just give you the bigger correction. Nothing special, but it will go to the downside. Okay, just from the spot where it is right now, it will tells us exactly where it will go into the future. Okay, so be prepared. If this will start to correct there, you can go for that sell. Otherwise, let it make new high, then watch for that sell. Okay, this sell would be really nice. Okay, if you watch the 4 hour structure, we are structurally quite high and we need to go down. Okay, so we need to go at least break that bottom. Okay, so this is what we need, at least break of that bottom. It's needed before this will continue to the upside. So keep an eye there and you will see. Is the chief. Just a second. Okay. So USD chief, like I have shown you there on the published idea, watch there for the buy setups. Okay. So if you were good and if you were watching it, there was the nice buy setup. Okay. There was the nice formation of the buy setup. If you catch it, protect yourself, put it on break even, and see how this will plays out right now. Okay. This can stay for the sideways or it can just start to push higher. So let me have a look on 1 hour structure. So what can I see there? This can just start to push higher. Okay. So I think that this can go for a small one wave to the downside, then it can explode to the upside. Let me delete that trend line. Okay, it just confuses me and I don't want to confuse you. So let's have a look. This. Okay, this can stay there and it can start to push higher. So watch for that buy. Okay, that buy would be really nice. So try to catch it by your own. Okay, I know that you will have to be really focused and trained to catch those moves. Sometimes it looks that it's really easy to catch the move, but it's not that easy. Okay, so when it comes to the reality, when market is live, I know that you can get confused really fast. So yeah, keep an eye just for the buy stop. This is all what I can do. Okay, use the end. So let's have a look. That one we'll just get for the bigger correction, as I can see. Okay, but be careful. This is daily structure which could be completed right now. Okay, as you can see there was the right big impulse on your left, and now this is the correcting. Okay, so if this is all the correction, we already go and close to the previous bottom. So let me have a look. uh, Okay, we didn't actually break the previous bottom, but we were nicely close to it. So what does this mean? These have a chances to start it pushing higher. And what it can do, these can actually break out of this big weekly structure. Okay, so if you break out of this weekly structure, believe me, you wanna be into that buy. Okay, you definitely wanna catch that money making move. Okay, so this would be really nice move which can really grow your account, and it will be worth if you will not get in right time. So at the moment I don't see that the buy setup is getting ready. Okay, so this can still go for one more down. Okay, like you see. Okay, the bottom wasn't broken yet, so I want to see the bottom to be broken, then I will definitely watch for the buy. But like I said, if you will get any confirmations there for the buy, we definitely will go for that buy. Okay, so yeah, we will watch this every day in our daily webinars every morning to catch that buy. Okay, believe me, we will not gonna miss that opportunity. So otherwise this can just push for one more down. So if you catch any sell setups, you can also take it. Okay, but this is the short term sell setup. Okay, if you get in, get out when it will break the previous bottom. Okay, so short term. Okay, nothing else, not big money, but 1%. You can make at least 1% all the way back to that bottom. New Zealand USD struggling there. It will go a little bit lower. Okay, as you can see that we are in the structure. I think that this will appear in the upcoming week, so especially if the DXY will push to the upside, so we will see this move. What you can do, keep an eye there on your sell setups. Okay, your sell setups would be really nice to if you'll catch them. Okay, so at the moment it looks like the correction will just extend itself a little bit bigger. Okay, so what we can anticipate there, the correction can give us the bit bigger picture, something like that, and then push lower. Okay, so this is what we can anticipate there, and then pushing higher. Or it can give something like that and then break down. Which one it will be, we just have to keep an eye, but only those two possibilities exist, which I have shown you right now. USD CAD. So yeah, those arrows are from my weekly market, from my daily webinars. Okay, so as you can see that you have one bonus in that video. Okay, as you can see that how I do forecast the moves for my clients. Okay, so as you can see, if you can see, I have forecasted exactly every single wave of that correction there, small correction. Okay, I have forecasted up, it went down. Okay, so and then where the price did go, it went to the upside. So wasn't it grateful? Okay, this arrow is for the downside. There was also one possibility for the downside, but my traders know when they will be able to take that buy, but they didn't because there wasn't any sell setup. Okay, there was only the possibility, but then when that has completed, we recognize and see that there is the nice buy setup. So what you can do, be careful, we are close to the trend line. Okay, and we don't want to buy there around the trend line. So if this will go and push lower, that would be a really nice buy setup. Okay, you can watch this to break out of that structure. Okay, so can I take that sell? You can. Okay, you can take that short-term sell, but it's not gonna go far and there's not big money. So yeah, if you're really interested, you can go for that sell. Okay, let it push lower. Okay, only aggressive sells. You can take the aggressive sells. Slow sells, you are not interested. Okay, so every slow move, it's not for us. But definitely, let me just delete those arrows. I don't want to confuse you, and the picture is not clear with those arrows. Okay, so you can see it works like a magic. Okay, so it is trying to tag the trend line, then it will go down. So yeah, if you watch it closely, you can take that sell. Okay, there is the one sell which can appear there. Okay, so if you want, you can take that sell, but it's only short-term sell. You have to be careful what the price will do around that. And then if this will become aggressive, nice. You have a really nice trade. So keep your eyes on and see what the chart is trying to tell you. Okay, but definitely we will not miss it. Okay, so let's go with Aussie Chief. Okay, so we are watching there for the short-term sell, then we will definitely watch for the buy setup. Okay, so what the price is trying to do, it is trying to push lower. Okay, so definitely if you find any sell setups, go for it. Okay, take that sell, be careful on the previous bottom. Okay, if this will stop there by the previous bottom, it can reverse. Or this is the first chance. Second chance, it will go break down, break that bottom. Okay, and then it will reverse, break that high, and then it will push to the downside. Okay, so only two possibilities. This is the one, and the second one is it will go down, tag that bottom, it will go up, tag that high, and then to reverse to the downside. Okay, so then you will definitely want to go for the sell around that previous high. Okay, you will watch there for a price action before you will go for that sell. Aussie Cat, what do we have there? The price. Oh, this is there was the one training with one guy which is on private. So let's see, let's have a look. This chart will go down, okay? But be careful if you go for that sell. If you will take that sell, be careful on the previous button. It can tag it and reverse to the upside, break that high, and then it can reverse. So be careful, it could be really tricky. If you want to go for that sell, you will have to get into that sell earlier before tagging that bottom. You'll protect yourself when it will tag that bottom, and then you'll see how it will plays out. Okay? Let's go. Chief Yen. So this one, it is also good for a sell. What you will do? Watch there. Watch for your sell stop, okay? So it is not ready yet, okay? So you will definitely wanna watch for the sell setup. Watch there, the 1 hour or 15 minutes will tell you exactly when this will be ready, and you can take that trade, okay? You can make some money over there. New Zealand cat, okay? I haven't deleted those setups, okay? So those are the setups which when I'm trying to explain some of you, okay? So what can we do? Anticipate, we'll watch this to go down. Okay? I don't think that this can push all the way back to the top. Okay? And especially not for this. That's not all the correction. If this will be all the correction, this wave should push already. Okay? But it doesn't look like. Okay? It's getting complicated. So what can we have there? It can do something like that. Okay? Take that bottom, going higher. And then down. So be careful. I would rather watch this for the first sell than stick to your buy setup. New Zealand yen. So what do we have there? The price is okay, nice. Okay, so this is what you can see. Just delete that. When the price will come to that trend line, okay, you will watch for the sell. Okay, so I hope guys when you will see that I have some setup which is prepared on the chart, I hope that you will not put an enter there and stop loss like it is there and go for the trade. No, I can guarantee that you will have a losing trade. Why? Because when I'm putting those trades over there, okay, like you see there, that doesn't mean, and my traders know that they will not get in exactly there, okay? They will not just blindly put an enter there and let's see what it will happen, okay? No, you have to wait and watch there on the lower time frame to find the price action before going for the downside. Okay, this thing could get really complicated because it can push higher, tag that high, and then going down, or it can go down, tag that bottom, and then go higher and then down. Okay, so depends how this will behave there in the upcoming week, but I think that this it will just start to push higher, and then we'll be able around the Wednesday or Tuesday maybe, or even Friday, watch it for the sell. Okay, definitely we will watch this for the sell. Many empires has the same picture. As you can see there, Aussie yen has the similar picture. Okay, it can go down, but you will just ignore this sell. Okay, believe me, you don't wanna go for that sell. That's not long-term sell, and that's quite risky trade. So don't go for it. Okay, let it wait to push higher, and you wanna watch to sell it from the previous high. Okay, so this is where you will start selling. Okay, so keep an eye there and you'll see how that will plays out. Let's go. Cadian. Similar picture there. Okay, like I have told you, yen pairs has the quite similar picture. So let it be there. Let's find some price action. You can take that buy. Okay, so if you're experienced enough, you can watch for that short-term buy. Okay, as you can see, this is from our daily webinars. Okay, this is the setup from our daily webinars. If you were trading that sell, great. So my traders already in, they are protected with break-even trade. So what you will do now, watch for that buy. Okay, that's not a spot for selling, and you believe me, you don't wanna go for the sell around the previous bottom. Okay, you would rather watch it to break, wait for the sell, go for the sell. Okay, so this is how you will trade. Okay, because this is not the spot for the selling. Okay, especially right now. Let it go, tag that high, and from the previous high, you watch for your sell stop. Okay, easy. Okay, just keep an eye there. I will post that idea after the webinar, so you will have it on published idea on my trading view. Euro yen, similar there, okay. It is trying to push lower, so there was one short-term sell which has ended up with break-even. So if you were watching there and if you take the sell there, okay, great, you should end up with a break-even trade. So what the price will do now, it will push higher. Okay, I see that one pushing higher. So let me have a look on higher time frame. So what the price is trying to do, yeah, I think that this will go higher. Okay, at least breaking the top somewhere there. Okay, so something like this. Somewhere there, the price will just start to reverse. So what you can do, if you find any buy setups, go for it. If there will be any buy setup, go for that buy. Short term buy, when it will break that high, take off your profit. Okay, that's not gonna go far. New Zealand Chief, be careful, the price is not aggressive right now, so you can watch this to start it pushing lower. Okay, so but rather watch for the 1 hour correction. Okay, you believe me, you wanna find a sell setup. If this will just give you the sell setup over there, okay? If this will start as a struggle, give you the sell setup, go for it, okay? Sell that strong break to the downside, okay? It can go all the way back to all those bottoms and all the way back down, okay? It can go all the way back to that previous bottom, okay? And keep an eye there on your sell setups, okay? That could be a nice trade. Aussie New Zealand. So it is trying to complete the pattern. Okay, so it is struggling there, so keep an eye there what the price will do and go for the sell. Keep an eye there for your sell stop. You want to see the sell stop, go for that sell. Okay, slowly. Your Aussie, keep an eye there, watch for your sell setups. It will keep pushing lower. Okay, so let me just draw that correctly. Yeah, okay, so any strong break to the downside, you can take the trade. Okay, watch their lower time frame and try to catch that sell. It will not be that easy as I am showing you right now, okay? Because trust me, I know. I've been in this business for 8 years and I can guarantee that sometimes the move which looks really logical and really easy get complicated, okay? So be careful. Catch if that one can also get complicated, guys, okay? You see, it is pushing lower. We know, we forecasted that move. We know what the price will do, so isn't that great? So let me just delete that. Those, as you can see, those trend lines on my chart, those are only the indicators, okay? That doesn't mean that we are selling the break of the trend line, okay? The break of trend line doesn't mean anything. We are watching the structures. Okay, so the trend line is only one indicator which is useless if you don't know how to read the chart correctly and if you don't know how to read the patterns and recognize them. Okay, so what the price will do, it will go tag that bottom and then it will just start to push higher and then you wanna become a seller. Okay, so what you will do, you will watch to become a seller there. Okay, so yes, this it will be your first target, but not yet. Okay, let it go down and let it push higher. watch for the price action, go for that sell. Okay, so that could be also a nice trade to the downside. Your chief. Mm, that one is quite difficult. Okay, for me it's not over yet, but I don't know exactly what this will do. Okay, so wait there. If this will correctively push back, okay, so that then this will become a running flat and will go all the way back to the previous bottom. Okay, so which one will be? Wait, okay. Right now there is nothing. Okay, so let it do. Let it give you the running flat, nice clear, and then you will go for your sell. Silver. Okay, like I have told you, wait for that one more sell and watch to buy from somewhere around there. Okay, go for that buy. Can I take that sell? Possible. Okay, if you catch any sell setup, you can take that sell. Otherwise, just wait for this buy. Okay, let's wait to break that bottom, then watch for your buy setup. Okay, it would be really easy, but you just have to be patient. Okay, be patient, guys. So that one it went up. So in case if you catch that buy, great. Put that on break even. Okay, so if you're already into that buy, put it on break even, but be careful when it will break that top. It can give you the extended formation. Okay. So this is the reason why you have to be careful. Here New Zealand. So the chart is just trying to push lower. Okay, the price will just go for the bigger correction and to go down. Okay, so what you'll do? Watch for yourself. Oh come on, why just delete it. Okay, watch this. Okay, you wanna see there the sell. Okay, first breaking that bottom. Okay, so if this will stay there, you can go for that sell. Okay, take that sell. You'll see how far this will go. Euro cat. Okay, watch it to push lower. Okay, this thing is gonna go lower. Let me just delete this. But be careful, okay? Oh, there are too many charts. You will just get confused. So what a price will do? The price can just push higher, going down, take that bottom, and then it can continue the upside. So what you can do right now, watch for the sell, okay? First sell, then we'll have to decide. But probably next week, next Sunday, I'll tell you what to do. But first, watch for this, go for that sell, and then in case if on Friday will give you any buy stop, you can take it. Otherwise, just skip it. Here, GBP, okay? So it is trying to push higher. Be careful right now, okay? Be careful because it can just go for the deeper correction. So in case if you have the buy order there, okay, like I have shown you, get out, okay? Get out, take off your profit, okay? This is gonna go in reverse for the bigger correction. So watch it. Pound New Zealand, okay? So wait, it is trying to go deeper, okay? So nothing there. Don't trade it. Don't trade Pound New Zealand. It's not tradable at the moment. Pound cat is trying to push lower, okay, so let it to correct. You can take that sell. Be careful when it will break that bottom, okay? So here's where you'll have to be careful, okay? But first, let it to correct. Go for that sell. Be careful when it will break the previous bottom, okay? It can start it or it can actually turn into the bigger correction, okay? So then you can have a running flat over there, okay? Or it can even start pushing higher exactly right now. So be careful. Do not sell it without having a confirmation on lower time frame, okay? So watch lower time frame for your confirmation before getting into the trade. Pound Aussie pushing lower, so nothing. If you missed it, great. You cannot do anything. So watch there for the reversal. Okay, so you definitely don't wanna sell it right now. You wanna wait for the bigger correction. As you can see that this move was really nice. Okay, really nice move. Okay, this is the huge structure. Huge structure which it has to correct there, then you will go for the sell, you will go break all the way back to the bottom, okay? Believe me, you wanna get into that sell, okay? Watch it, watch for the bigger correction, that's not gonna go down into the straight line, believe me. You wanna see the deeper correction, then you will go, okay? Something like this could appear over there before going to that bottom. Okay, so wait, if you missed it, no worries, don't panic, nothing has happened, okay? Nothing strange, so yeah, watch it. Pound Chief also pushing lower, okay? There was one trade on Friday. If you take it, great. So what you can do, what can we anticipate right now? If this will be keep correcting and pushing lower, then we'll see the tag of that bottom. Okay, so next correction will tell us what the price will do, but we can see the tag of that bottom. So watch for your sell setups. Okay, pound yen, what do we have there? Pound yen, let's see, be careful there. Okay, this can turn for the one more up. Okay, or if this will go down, let me just draw that correct line. I want to delete this, I don't want to confuse you. Let me delete that one also. Okay, so let's delete. If the price will go stop there, then we will go all the way back to the previous bottom. Okay, going down, stop there, going there, stop there. Boom! You wanna take that trade. It will go really, really far. So let me just show you. It will go up around that previous high. It will tag it. Okay, depends on which pattern will behave over there, and then definitely get into that sell. Okay, you don't wanna miss it. Just get in after completion of that correction. You see, it's really easy when you know how to read the charts correctly. Okay, so you're knocking. What do we have there? Let's have a look. I think this will be also the video correction. Okay, this thing can go right there, down, breaking that bottom. Okay, so we will see the break of that bottom. Let me just tag it. I do anticipate break totally from that bottom and then reverse to the upside, tag that or break that high, and then boom, it will go for one more down. Okay, so this is what we can anticipate there on the Euro knock-in. So keep an eye there, watch it closely on 1 hour to 15 minutes or maybe even 5 minutes. Okay, so you will be able to recognize this really fast. Natural gas. Okay, so there was the posted idea on natural gas. It did really nicely. So yeah, as you can see there, it did really nicely break down. So take off your profit. If you're happy with your profit, you should be taking, or at least put your stop loss there. Okay, protect yourself, put your stop loss there, and yeah, you are actually safe. This thing can go for one more down, but definitely it will start going to the upside. Okay, so those who are investing, they could just start buying. Okay, just watch for the buy. Let it calm down, then you can start buying. Okay, this is gonna go higher, but yeah, those who are selling, just take off your profit. That's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, that's not gonna go deep as hell. Okay, so take the profit off, start watching for the buy setups. Use the Mexican. Okay, it is trying to push lower. That's definitely gonna go lower. Okay, at least give us the correction. So how deep can that go? That can go for the running flat, something like that. Okay, and then we can go high and then we can go lower. So something like that can appear there. Okay, so if you are into the buy, okay, if you are into the buy from there, you're doing great. So protect yourself. Put it, put your trade on break even because this can go at any time soon for the deeper correction, something like that. Then to go high, tag the trend line, then to reverse totally to the downside. So keep an eye there for the sell setup. You can take that short-term sell, 1-to-1 maybe, okay, or maybe 1-to-2, depends where you will be able to catch it. SP 500, what do we have there? Okay, this chart will go to the upside, okay? Don't get into the sell right now, okay? Why? Because this has to go first to the upside, then we'll see the downside. Or it can even stay for the sideways and then going higher and then break down. Okay? But this is really long term. Watch for a buy setup. I do recommend you to watch only for the buy setups. Keep an eye there, okay? Keep an eye for that buy setup. UK 100 struggling there. Okay, so this thing it will just start to push higher. Okay, so watch for your buy setups all the way back to the top. Okay, I see it pushing higher. Okay, based on the structure. Okay, I think it can go a little bit lower and then it can push higher, but yeah, watch it closely. I'm gonna correct that structure. Watch it, this pushing higher. Okay, we were watching this to going higher, but ended up with the break-even trades. There was the one short-term sell. Okay, I personally was there into the sell. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, I was selling this. Okay, I did a profit there, and I take off actually my profit already because I knew that this it will just start to push higher. So what you'll do, watch there. Let it crack there and go for that buy. UK oil, okay, like I have shown you, there was the wonderful nice setup. So what you can do, let's see what this is trying to do. If this will correct itself, take that sell and take off your profit when it will tag that previous bottom. Okay, this is posted idea and there's not much to do. Just watch how this will plays out. Okay, you wanna see the correcting there and then going down. tagging that bottom. Okay, so you can take off a profit around the previous bottom. Okay, there was the many setups. If you will be able, you can take the sells from there. Okay, there was your entries, and you'll be able to take those sells. US oil similar, so I will not repeat it. Okay, just keep an eye there. What the price will do, go and take the sell. US 30, okay, it's looking to the upside. Okay, it break that bottom. This is wonderful. So keep an eye there for your buy setups. Okay, watch for your buy setups. Okay, keep in mind for buy setup. That's all. It's getting ready slowly. Okay, see copper. Let's have a look. What the copper is doing, it is going down. Okay, this is also posted in my trading ideas. Okay, so let me just delete this one. La la la. Okay, so watch it. Watch this thing going lower. Okay, watch it going lower. Watch for your sell stops. German 30. Let's have a look there. Hmm. This thing is getting complicated. Those traders are my traders. If you get into that buy, you should be off there. Okay, we break even trade. So the others, what you can do. Let's wait. That's not a clear picture, so stay away from the German 30. Okay, so those who are not in our academy, stay away from it. But my traders will watch that on Tuesday probably. Then we'll have much more clear picture, and we will break it down to the lower time frame to recognize where the chart is about to go. Okay. What do we have there? Platinum, like I said, it can go for one more down. Okay, so be careful. We can see a one more down before going higher. So let me just delete this. Okay, sorry guys. Let's have a look there. Breaking that bottom and then it can turn. So keep an eye there. Watch it. Ethereum, Bitcoin. This thing is also getting ready for the buy. Okay, this thing is about to start it pushing higher. Okay, there is the nice running flat formation. Okay, so watch it. Watch this to start it pushing higher. Okay, I wanna see there a nice wave to the upside. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, it's also a nice chart to keep an eye there for the upcoming week, for the upcoming buy setups, and just simply take that buy. Okay, you cannot miss it. Take the buy and see how far it will go. Okay, so when once you take that buy from somewhere there, I don't know exactly where it will appear, you just have to monitor that. Okay, track it on your lower time frame all the way 5 minute to 5 minute. You will be able to track that really nicely. And when you will get in, be careful when it will tag that previous bottom. Okay, when it will break, you have to put all those buy trades on break even. Okay, when you will see the break of the top, that's easy. Okay, so let's go. Bitcoin USD, okay, like I told you, it goes really nicely to the downside. Okay, so now watch for your buy setups. Okay, this is the running flat there, which is over right now. Watch it. Watch for your buy setups. Okay, believe me, you wanna go for that buy. You don't wanna miss it. Okay, just go for that buy. It's worth of taking it. Okay, nice money. It's coming there on the Bitcoin, and it can extend up all the way back to that 13,000. So watch it. Nothing else. Okay, watch for buy setups. Ethereum Classic, so let's have a look what it's trying to do. It has tagged that previous bottom nicely. Okay, so there you can see that how we are watching in our daily webinars. Okay, this is being forecasted in our academy, so traders, my traders who are trading the cryptos, they know what to do, and they already take their profit, they already book their profit. So I will delete that arrow. Okay, we are done with the sell setups. Okay, let's have a look what you will do. I will delete this everything. Now you wanna start watching for the buy stops. Okay, this thing will just start to push low. I will leave this arrow where it was. Okay, I'm not gonna change my view. That's still gonna go to the upside. So keep an eye there. Nice buy, it's coming over there also. So let's have a look. Let's put it like that. I will delete that. It's gone. Okay, so we are not need to monitor anymore. So yeah, this is what we will see. Let me give you a nice picture. This okay. Let's go higher. The move could be something like this. Okay, let's go. Ethereum USD. What can you see there? It's getting over also. Okay, so as you can see, it is getting. There was also an order. Okay, this is my order for the sell. Now you can see that there's a small wave which can continue just to break that and turn to the upside. Okay, so watch for your buy setups. Okay, definitely you don't wanna focus on your sell setups. Okay, your focus should be on your buy setups. Okay, let me delete also that one. It's gone. Watch there for the buy setups. Okay, definitely you wanna go for that buy. Okay, this buy could be really nice, and if there it will break down, ignore. Okay, you believe me, you don't wanna focus on that sell. Go for that bigger buy. Litecoin USD. Let's wait. Okay, that's not ready yet, so skip it. Okay, that's not tradable at the moment. Uh, People start watching for your buy setups. Okay, so what are those errors from our daily webinars? Okay, so you see how we are forecasting the every part of the chart, so we know exactly where the chart is moving. So we are not afraid. Okay, so when we are trading, we exactly know where the price is about to go. Okay, so this is how you will have to trade. You need to recognize the every single move on your chart. Okay, the chart is all the time communicating with you, so you just have to learn how to read it correctly and what the chart is trying to tell you. Okay, the chart is actually one book which it needs to be read it correctly. Okay, so that's all. What you can do, watch for the buy setups, guys. Okay, watch for the buy setups. Watch it to go higher. That's all. Okay, so I hope, guys, that you have enjoyed our free weekly market outlook. Okay, if you're interested to join us, feel free go to our trade with mass. So okay, sorry, I just got disconnected with my microphone. So guys, if you are interested to join our trading academy, just simply go to our website tradewithmaster.eu, okay, and go under the membership area. So there you will find the membership levels and choose the membership levels which you are comfortable with. Okay, so guys, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and enjoy your trading week. Take care and see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.